Okay, so let's do a practical walkthrough of placing a stop on a chart or in the broker with a setup. So this is a strategy here using our Pro Trend system and tracks. It's turned from red to green, which means to buy. Okay, like it did here. Okay, I would have bought here. My stop would have been under here. So I put some lines in here. My stop placement's going to underneath here, and I'm going to buy this. We're going to do one at market, and then we're going to put an order in. So I'm going to put my stop underneath this area here. Let's go to the broker and actually do that physically. So I've got the euro yen up here. I'm going to buy this market. My stop placement gives me a number which is 161.06. Let's go and find that. So I need to go into my euro yen. Now I'm going to go and find my 161.06. 106. Let's get it right if we can. 161.06. 161.06. Let's keep going. It's a long way away. And we can actually just type it in, to be fair. 06, okay? It's 120 points away. So I'm going to lose £120.50 on this trade. But that's fine. I'm just going to buy it now, okay? And then I'm going to put that profit target in. So that's as easy as that. So my stop's in place. I'm in the open trade, so it's an open trade. I'm in it. I've got no profit target though, okay? So that's fine because, you know, I want it to go up, and as it goes green here, I'll get out, and I'll just literally get out by going into closed trade once it turns red. The other way to do it is to put an order in. So let's say the price is currently trading. You can see on the right here it's trading at 162.24. Let's say tonight I want to get a better price, 160. Let's say just shy of 162. So I want to get in at 162. Now that's a better price than where it's trading now at 162.23. So let's do that then. Yeah. So let's go in and let's just close that trade off. Let's do it again. Let's go into the euro yen. We're going to put an order in this time. So that order we're going to buy. And now we're going to put that a little bit lower down. There you go. So now we're going to buy it at 162. Yes, I'll put 162 or the level where I want to buy it. There's my pounds per point. And now I can put my stop in as well. So once I decide my order, I want to have a stop back down below at that 161. I can go and type it in if I want to. So using a 100-point stop, my risk on this is going to be £100. Now, to reduce the risk, there's a few things you do. Reduce the position size or reduce your stop position. All right? So if I move my stop up, the maximum loss is going to change on this. All right? So I'm going to put it back to where I thought it would go, just back to that 161 area. And then I'll just submit it. Now, I've got an order, okay, in my account. Now, there it is, okay? Here's my opening orders. This one here, wasn't it? Yeah, this one here. It's one I had done earlier. So this one here is an open order. I can amend it if I want to. If I don't like it anymore, I can just remove it, cancel it, and confirm that. All right? So that's how you place orders to get better prices, guys, and placing stops. Hope it helps.